and the second. And for every match, we choose the prettiest face in the crowd to be our shaky's face of the game. Ayan, nice smile from Pian Dagdag. She's 21 years old from Bacoor, Cavite, and she is our shaky's face of the game. Congratulations, and she gets a free gift certificate from Shakey's for being our shaky's face of the game. Again, congratulations, Pian Dagdag from Bacoor, Cavite.
Babayan ni Ann at ni Ivy, ha?
Oh, neighbors. This time, Sandugo gets this point, 10-16. And again, for those of you who still don't know, game days here at the Ninoy Aquino Stadium are every Tuesdays, Fridays, and Sundays. We start our first game at 2 and we have 3 games lined up for you each and every game day. So kahit weekday, after work, dumating kayo dito ng mga 5, 5:30, may aabutan pa rin ho kayong laro. Lalo na kung linggo, makukumpleto nyo.
At sa haba ng ating mga laro, aabutan nyo talaga. Dahil sa ganda.
Dahil sa ganda ng mga laro. Yes. Lalo na heading into the Final Four of this open conference.
2 straight points for Sandugo. Narrows the gap to only 5.
Nene with a good serve. Mayet, Ruby De Leon picks it up. Diretso yan kay Boali. Off the block.
Tatlong sunod na ito para sa Sandugo. Binubutas na nila yung depensa dito ng Lady Troopers. Nene Bautista giving them a different dimension on offense. Pero itong si Jean Boali, binubuhay ang chances dito ng Sandugo.
Back set to Mayet, covered by the block. Salak to Jack Alarca. Nandiyan si Suzanne Roses. Combination for John. The drop. Andun si Tina. Nag-aabang. There you go, man. Very, very fast play. Coach Rico De Guzman calls this timeout. Nabawasan na yung lamang ng tatlo. Let's listen in to the Philippine Army. Let's look at this previous play. Good dig by Benting. Ito, yung quick play, ang bilis. Si Jack Alarca, mali yung pagtapat niya eh.
Saka eksakto sa sweet spot ni Taiwan. Anong sabihin mo, pababa na yung bayo niya eh.
Yes. Set up for Mayet. This is inside. Shakey's. If it's on family pizza, it's gotta be shaky.
They needed that to stop the bleeding para sa kanilang koponahan. They gave up 4 straight points. Laban dito sa Sandugo. Now they get another 4-point advantage. They need to take care of their serves.
Yes, very, very important. Good reception for Utay. Medyo mababa pero nakapuntos pa rin si Nen Utaywan.
And with Ruby De Leon coming in, mas nabibigyan dito ng chance si Utaywan na umatake.
That's true.
Ito yung balasang ginamit ni Coach Roger Gurayev. Mahusay si Red na makulangan. Pero minsan pag hindi ka effective, kailangan bumalasa talaga.
Good serve from Nen. Rachel off the block. Poor defense by Angela. Rachel with another point.
Kung titignan mo yung palitan, nakala mo lamang pa rito yung Sandugo eh. Because of the excellent floor defense by the Lady Troopers, they continue to possess a 4-point advantage laban sa Sandugo.
Jan asking for it. Ooh, almost hitting Nunag again on the face.
Well, I would say that Nunag is definitely audacious. Matapang talaga, kaya nandyan siya sa pwestong yan. Hindi may hina yung bolang yan. Ayan, parang na-matrix siya.
That's true. Ganda ng kuha. And alam mo yung palo ni Jang Bori, that was against 3 blockers of the Philippine Army. Oops, regalo for Suzanne, but Tina Salak winning the job. Smart play from Ruby De Leon.
Yan ang nagagawa ng laro sa beach volleyball.
Oo, totoo yun.
Diba?
beach volleyball
Maraming ibang maneuvers na hindi mo nakikita dati. But because of that sport, nagkakaroon sila ng ibang dimension sa kanilang laro.
Tinulak sa dulo, walang tao, and no one expected that. Again, that two-man substitution, Jovelyn Gonzaga and Urs Iratay in for the Philippine Army.
Nice.
Rachel with the dump. Good recovery by Sandugo San Sebastian. Jovelyn from the back. Uy! Palabas na. I think that was the point of Jovelyn. Nagulat siya na kinuha pa rin ni Joanne.
Reflex action na nangyari doon.
Because I think, I believe that
Tama
it was
yun.
on its way.
Tama yun. Pero minsan kasi hindi mo na mabasa eh.
Kabilis.
Pag hindi mo naman sinagot, sayang. Shouts at the net. And Gonzaga will prevail over the veterans, Hussein Roses. Alam mo, lakas yan eh. Diyan nagkakatalo yan eh. Yung parehong tulak kayo. At na off balance pa si Hussein Roses. Nagpakilala rin si Jovelyn Gonzaga.
Philippine Army protecting a 2-point lead with this serve from Alarca. Good serve in. Good block by Rachel on Suzanne. Oh. Diretso sa block.
Not enough elevation for Dakis.
19-18, the Philippine Army on top by 1. Mikasa, the official ball of the Shakey's V-League. Joan gets blocked. Urs Iratay goes to Rachel. This is going out.
They saved that play. Talking about the Lady Troopers, ang baba nung setup. But Rachel Dakis allowing the Lady Troopers once again to breathe a little freely. Iba yung tabla sa lamang ka ng dalawa.
Yan yung pinoprotektahan nilang lamang.
Kanina 4 yan eh.
Yeah.
Na-breach na, bumaba na sa 2.
This is going straight to Jang. Medyo mababa yung set for Suzanne. Good defense by Jang Guli. Regalo para kay Nene. Nice play for Michelle Carolino.
Ang laki na rin ang in-improve ng Jang Guli, no? Dati patay na buta sa depensa. Now she's working extremely hard.
Very, very hard.
Still, the Lady Troopers will post a 3-point lead.
Para dumapis man, nandun pa rin din sa loob. Kaya ganito na lang. Dito ka pumunta, ikaw doon. Pag-block ka, maka-block ka rito sa dito mo na kasi depensa eh. Doon ka namin nila sa depensa. Sa pag-ibig, dito ka, parang may pinagulong sa kuya. Dito mas malaki yan, mas marami silang bola rito eh. Kasi si Jovelyn, kaya mo na yun kuya, isang kaliwete lang.
Alright, let's look at this play from Bautista. Ito, mababasa. Jovelyn will give it to the middle. Nandyan si Michelle Carolino. Hinabol yung bola. Ayun, nalusutan at nakapuntos itong Philippine Army.
Multifaceted game ang laro na itong si Jovelyn Gonzaga, no? That's why her effectivity cannot be measured just by her offensive prowess. Marami siyang nadadala dito sa laro.
Yan, yung setup from Jovelyn to Michelle produces that point.
And she is called off the bench. Her entry to the game in the last 2 sets has been late in the set. Yet, buo ang loob. Alam niya yung laro. Alam niya kung sino pupuntahan niya. Pwedeng umatake, pwedeng pumasa. At dahil dyan, makituloy sa 4 ang kalamangan ng Lady Troopers.
Oh, service ace for Rachel.
Alam mo, matagal ko nang napapanood si Rachel Dakis. Every time makakalaban niya si Jeng Boli, maski sa anong team, yan ang pupunteriyahin niya.
Sa reception.
Alam na alam niya. Tingnan mo kung saan niya dadalhin ulit ito.
Tingnan natin. Rachel, again, will be serving. He tried to, but this time it hit the tape. Doon din papunta. But you're right, Coach Ronnie, talagang
Hindi, titigilan talaga yan.
Meron kang target dapat when you serve.
At saka alam mo, may psychological advantage ka. Nare-recognize siya ng mga magagaling na athletes.
Suzanne with the serve. Nice dig by Zhang. Really dunk?
Ang tawag dyan ay matangkad.
Let's look at this replay. They will get the block. Pero ayun, hindi na nga tumalon eh.
Hindi 6'4 ito, mahigit 6'4 ito eh.
Good serve there by Suzanne. Jovelyn gets blocked. Push out right away. That drop of men gets them another point. Humahabol na itong Sandogo Lady Stags. Coach Rico de Guzman calls another timeout. Let's listen in.
Maganda yung receive natin. Kailangan mo magkombinasyon kahit utin mo yung tao. Kasi kung magpo-focus ka lang kay Michelle, mache-check tayo niyan. Maganda yung receive natin eh. Ha? Ano, gagalaw na lang yan. Huwag na kayo magpadikit. Kombinasyon lagi, kombinasyon.
Utay won 7 points out of 17 total attacks. And this is one of those 7 points wherein she has connected. 2 straight points for Utay won. Allows San Sebastian to threaten here at 23-21.
So now Suzanne will be serving. Back set to Jovelyn. The block is there. She recovers though. Another good block. This time it goes out. And it is now again set point for the Philippine Army. Pumasok na ulit si Mayet Carolino at si Tina Salak.
The closers are back.
Oo. Set point. They have a 3-point advantage. Tina Salak will set up.
Oh my.
Oy, si Bautista, tinawagan ng net. And that is it for the second set. The Philippine Army 25. Itong Sandogo San Sebastian 21. Up by 2 sets. Itong Philippine Army. Our shaky shake and play. Ito, Coach Ron.
They were threatened, but they were able to respond. And Michelle Carolino once again finishing off this play, finishing off this set for Philippine Army.
Ayan, 25-21. We'll be right back for the third set after this break.